Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm. It offers a new way to think about money and transactions. The technology behind it, blockchain, is secure and transparent. This has attracted investors from all walks of life, eager to be part of this financial revolution. However, this surge in popularity has also attracted criminals. Scammers see an opportunity to exploit those who are new to the cryptocurrency space. Many people are eager to learn, but they may not yet understand the risks. This makes them vulnerable to various scams. These scams can be devastating. Victims can lose their savings, sometimes their entire life savings. It's crucial for anyone interested in cryptocurrency to understand the dangers. Knowledge is power when it comes to protecting yourself in the crypto world. That's why we're here to help. In this video, we'll break down common cryptocurrency scams and provide clear, practical advice on how to avoid them. Common cryptocurrency scams. Let's expose the tricks scammers use. One common tactic is creating fake platforms. These platforms look like legitimate cryptocurrency exchanges or wallets. They might have convincing websites and apps. However, their goal is to steal your login credentials and drain your accounts. Another common scam involves unexpected contact. You might receive an unsolicited email, message, or phone call. The person on the other end might pressure you to invest in a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. They often create a sense of urgency, pushing you to act quickly before you lose out. Giveaway scams are another trap for unsuspecting victims. Scammers impersonate celebrities or influencers, promising to double any cryptocurrency you send them. They prey on people's desire for quick and easy money. A rug pull is a particularly harmful scam. Developers create a new cryptocurrency project and attract investors. Once they've gathered enough funds, they abandon the project. The investors are left with worthless tokens, and the scammers disappear with the money. Just a quick reminder to like and subscribe. Your support allows us to create more informative videos. Now let's get back to it. Protecting yourself from scams. The key to avoiding cryptocurrency scams is to be vigilant. Look for red flags that signal something is amiss. One major warning sign is the promise of guaranteed high returns. Remember, all investments carry risk. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of unsolicited investment advice, especially from unknown sources. Legitimate financial advisors don't reach out to strangers with promises of quick riches. Don't be afraid to ignore or block these messages. Don't blindly trust endorsements from social media influencers or even friends and family. Scammers can easily manipulate endorsements or create fake profiles. Do your own research before investing based on someone else's recommendation. If someone demands that you transfer cryptocurrency quickly or use a specific payment method, be suspicious. This is a common tactic to pressure you into making a hasty decision. Take your time, ask questions, and never feel obligated to send money to someone you don't know and trust. Security measures. Protecting your digital assets is crucial in the cryptocurrency world. Start with strong passwords. Use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't use the same password for multiple accounts. Consider a password manager to help you generate and store complex passwords securely. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on all your accounts, especially those related to cryptocurrency. This adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for hackers to access your accounts even if they have your password. Be aware of phishing scams. These often involve emails or messages designed to trick you into revealing your login credentials or other sensitive information. Always double-check the sender's address and be cautious of links or attachments from unknown sources. Choose your cryptocurrency wallets carefully. Look for wallets with strong security features, such as multi-factor authentication and a good reputation for security. Consider using a hardware wallet for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency, as these offer offline storage and are less vulnerable to hacking. When choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, prioritize platforms with a proven track record of security. Look for exchanges that offer robust encryption, regular security audits, and transparent communication about their security practices. Staying informed in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. New scams emerge all the time. That's why it's essential to stay informed about the latest threats and security best practices. Follow reputable cryptocurrency news sources and blogs. These sources often provide insights into new scams and ways to protect yourself. Engage with the cryptocurrency community online and ask questions. Remember, knowledge is your best defense against cryptocurrency scams. By staying informed, being cautious, and taking appropriate security measures, you can navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency with confidence. If you're new to the cryptocurrency world, then check out our video on Crypto 101, Understanding the Basics of Cryptocurrency. It will help navigate you through the crypto world safely. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know what kind of videos you want to see next here on the Know the 411 channel. See you next time.